Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, we got new hair. Who it is? Ow. Anyway, nah, for real though. It's a new style. I'm doing a protective style. It is faux locks, but it's a remix faux locks. It's not all individually locks. This is partial individual and the rest is cornrow. So just stay tuned to see what your girl did or whatever. Begin parting my hair in the front because I want to make sure that I'm parting the front differently from the rest so that you guys can see the individual faux locks versus the cornrow crochet faux locks. I am using the Main Crush Ayurvedic Buttercream to seal in the moisture in my hair. Especially my ends, because it's a protective style and you want to make sure that you're sealing in the moisture and your hair is really moisturized. And so I parted my hair in all these sections because this is the fastest way I do my individual faux locks, because your girl does not want to be here all day crocheting individual faux locks, because if that's the case, I would just do them individually. And I start braiding it. We sectioned off the front, the little bit of the sides and the back, and the reason why we did that is so we have options. We don't have to always wear our hair down. We can wear it up and it won't look like it's crocheted. So we're gonna do the straight backs in the middle. So when you're parting the front of your hair, you want to make sure that you're parting it and it's matching the parts on your cornrows. So this way, when you're wearing your hair down, it looks legit, you know? You want it to look legit as possible. And then you just put it on the edges, on all parts of the edges. You use your comb to just bring that up. You want to smooth the edge control in prior to starting your braid. And then you want to start your braid. I'm not using any rubber bands. I'm just braiding it and making sure I'm braiding it tight at the root. So this way it's not too loose, and when you crochet the faux lock on, it's not looking crazy, it's not hanging crazy. You want to make sure it's tight at the root. And then you just keep braiding your hair all the way down. Now how I install these on the cornrows and my individual little braids right here. Okay, so this is the tool to use to crochet. It has a hook right here, and the hook you open up like that. And when you are about to crochet, you want to place this in your braid like this, open like this. Focus. You have a hook right here for the faux lock. You are going to hook that hook from the tool onto this faux lock like this. And you're going to close it and pull it through. Now open it up. You're going to put it in sideways like that. You want to make sure the hook is up like this. Put it in like this. Close it and then bring it through. You open this up. You take this faux lock and then you bring it out like that. And ta-da! That's how you install it. Look how easy that was. These are much easier than what I'm gonna show you here, but it's still not that complicated. It's 1, 2, 3. You just make sure you pay attention to the steps. Now, go on and watch it on full speed because your girl ain't about to sit here and talk you through this part. Front. Now you're gonna unravel it a little. I have a little bit of edge control on my hands. You're gonna unravel it the other way, but when you twist it onto this braid, you're going to twist it in the way that it was originally twisted on the faux lock. So it was going towards the right. This way was turning this way. So you have to just make sure that you're twisting it and unraveling it at the same time. And you just basically keep doing it tightly around the braid and keep unraveling it. This is how I do it. It works pretty good as long as you are going in the right direction of the faux lock, the way that it was twisted, pre-twisted. And you just unravel it and keep doing it all the way to the end, okay? And you want to make sure that you're not leaving a lot of gaps so that the braid is not visible. Keep doing it. And these are the end results. I hope you guys love. If you want to be a part of my tribe, make sure you like and subscribe right down there. And I will be coming back again with another video update with how I style these and why I even styled them this way, so you can see the different styles that I will have. Thank you guys for tuning in.